Cisco Business Dashboard offers extensive options for managing Cisco business devices. We'll go over port and VLAN management options on this edition of Tech Talks next. First things first, we'll need to log into our Cisco Business Dashboard. Before we start, we'll look at the dashboard page and check to make sure our devices are connected. Once we verify that they're connected, we'll go to the port management page. Here, we can see which devices allow port configuration. In this example, we see multiple switches. By clicking on any port of these switches, we'll see several options. In the General section, we can see the port statistics. And in the Ethernet section, we are able to change the speed and duplex. For this example, we'll leave these set to auto. In the VLAN section, we can see the native VLAN and see if there are any trunked VLANs on that port. We also have the option to create, add, or remove any VLANs on that specific port. To create a VLAN on this port, we'll click Create VLAN under the VLAN section. In the pop-up window, we can assign the VLAN an ID as well as a name. Then we can select to either create the VLAN on all of the devices in the same group or on all of the devices in the organization. For this example, we'll choose the first option and then click Save. Now, a configuration job will be created to add this VLAN to all the devices in the device group. We can now click on Select VLAN. We should see our newly created VLAN listed under the Trunk VLANs option. We can also add this VLAN to our trunk board if we so choose, or simply select it as a native VLAN. Once we're done, we'll click Save. We can also create VLANs via the Virtual LANs page under Network Configuration in the navigation bar. Under the Virtual LANs table, we can click the plus icon to add a virtual LAN profile. After giving the profile a name, we can choose which organization and device group we'd like the VLAN to be associated with. Again, we'll give our VLAN an ID and a name. We can always add multiple VLANs if needed. In this example, we've named the profile My VLAN and selected the organization and device group. This VLAN will be propagated to all the devices in that group. Finally, we'll click Save, and the configuration job will apply the VLAN to all the devices in the group. Now we're all set to create and manage VLANs on the Cisco Business Dashboard. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.